In this video, I'll show you how to find and customize your LinkedIn profile URL. Let's get started. First, open LinkedIn and make sure you're logged into your account. Now, go to your profile by tapping on Me and selecting View Profile. At the top of your profile, you'll see your current LinkedIn URL. By default, it usually includes your name, followed by a mix of random numbers and letters. To clean this up, go to the top right corner and click on Edit Public Profile and URL. Next, look for the option that says Edit Your Custom URL and click on the pencil icon. Now, you can edit your URL. Simply remove the extra numbers and letters and keep it clean using your name. You can also customize it, but it's best to keep it simple and professional. Once you're done, click on Save. Now, your LinkedIn profile URL will look clean, like linkedin.com/in/yourname. And that's it. That's how you can find and customize your LinkedIn profile URL. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.